Hello guys, so today I will explain you how to work in onlinetayari.com as a translator or a proofreader. So what you have to do is to copy the URL which we provides you and open this and open the site, then click on sign in. After that, add the credentials which we provide you like username and the password. After that, add username, their password, and add captcha. After that, just click on login. After this, uh, just wait for 5 to 10 seconds. It will auto redirect to the dashboard. So just wait for 10 to 15 seconds. It will redirect to the dashboard. After, you will get a dashboard like this. If you get this not this pop-up, you just have to click on skip. After this, click on task dashboard. After, copy your task ID. We will provide you this type of task IDs in daily basis, like their number is standard and the subjects. You just have to remember this. And now copy the task ID and copy. After, paste it over search task ID option. After that, click on search. Now you will get task ID for this there. Also you can check from the subject. This is for biology. After this, what you have to do is to click on instruction, sorry, in documents, and now you will get this. So as you know that in this task 51% of work is already done, like out of 41 questions 21 questions is already done. Okay, so also you can check from the status, like initial means the work is completed. So I am starting with the question which do not the we did not completed yet. So what we do is to click on add question. Now you will get questions, small questions like this. Okay, so now what you have to do, just simple, click on this pen button, pen icon. After this, you can edit edit this column. What you have to do is to translate this, or just proofreading, checking, or if you didn't get any, if you get like, if you didn't get this this translation, you just get first column of English translation. So you have to type this all, uh, and if you get this, if you get all uh, some of the translation already, what you have to do is to check and proofread. If you have to check from here, like if you get this discovered word is wrong in this translation column, so you have to edit or correct it. Okay, so I just do for some sample. After, if you if you completed this, what you have to do is to just click on this save icon. After this, the work is saved. And now last, what you have to do is to click on this log button. So as you click the log button, you can see the progress. Okay, like if I click on next, like if I edit this question and make some changes, like this is correct, also yes, this is correct. So what I do is to click on save. After this, click on this log button, and as you can see, the progress is running, like 5 sentences is remaining out of 7. So what you have to do to do complete all small questions. Okay, after when you get 100% progress, you will get submit button here, like you will get a green submit button here. What you have to do is to just click on the submit button. After this, the that question will submitted successfully. Okay, after that, back and do the next questions, like all you have to do is to complete all the next questions. When you get progress 100% in this task ID, then your work is completed. Okay. Okay, thank you so much, guys.